Good morning. I'd like to begin by telling you a story about Lucian, one of our customers in Romania. He owns a grocery store on a busy street in Bucharest. He sells convenience items like milk and eggs. All of his customers are from the neighborhood, and he knows them very well. Today, his business is transacted completely in cash, and that happens for two primary reasons. One, Lucian doesn't believe that alternative financial services are affordable for him, and most of his customers don't have access to those tools anyway. But all of you know that cash management is also very expensive. Cash can be risky. Cash can be lost or stolen, misplaced or miscalculated. According to the World Bank, businesses that transact in cash are 4% more expensive to operate than those that accept alternative payments. Now, Lucian knows this, but at the same time, it's simply not affordable for him to have today's existing point-of-sale solutions. And frankly, most acquirers don't find him that interesting anyway. My name is Kim Gorsuch. This is Jacob Coughlin, and we are representing today Rev Worldwide. Our company mission is to create innovative financial services for the world's unbanked and underserved. We operate today in 9 different countries, including Kosovo, Romania, Mexico, India, Vietnam, as well as the States, Australia, and Western Europe. Based on a model that our founders, Roy and Bertrand Sosa, pioneered almost 10 years ago, we are creating a global branchless banking network. We do that in partnership with banks and others, particularly retailers, who are interested in reaching our customer segment. We provide relatively simple tools. For example, a prepaid debit card that works with your mobile phone and can be acquired at your neighborhood store. And our goal is to change the economics of access so that many more people have availability. Up until now, Rev has concentrated on the consumer side, but that's only about half the problem. The issue is that stores like Lucian's can't accept these payment services. If you think about it, the point-of-sale penetration in most countries of the world is a tiny, tiny fraction of what it is in the US and Western Europe. Our answer to this problem is the Rev Coin. The Rev Coin kit can be purchased in a retail store for about $15 to $20. The kit will come with 3 components. You're seeing a coin device that it can attach to your mobile phone, a mobile app that can be downloaded from the internet, and then a Rev merchant card that provides access to the funds. Today we're going to show you this operating on an iPhone, but it also operates on Android and BlackBerry, and very soon now it will work on other phones. Today we're also showing you MagStripe because that works in most of the world, but we're also planning to add EMV. Let's assume that Lucian has already purchased the kit device and that he's already logged in. Hey Lucian, I'd like to buy a Coke.
That'll be $1, please.
I don't have any cash. Will you take my debit card?
Absolutely.
All right, awesome. Now, Lucian has already logged into the application, and he did that with his secure PIN and pressing login. Now, he's going to go ahead and enter the amount of the transaction. Notice, please, that it's already calculated the tax for him because that's the way that Lucian set up the system. It could just as easily have had the tax included in the price. He also has a choice now of swiping my card or entering the details manually. As you can see, he's already swiped it, and the system has gone to Rev, and Rev has authorized the transaction. I gave him my prepaid debit card, so Rev was checking to make sure that I actually had enough funds on my system. I did, so the transaction's authorized, and now Lucian is asked to confirm it. He did that, and now he'll ask me if I want a receipt.
Would you like a receipt?
I would.
And would you prefer a text message or an email?
Text is fine.
And what is your phone number, please?
512-415-4273.
And would you like a memo?
Sure, Coke. Okay. Now, for this demo, we are showing you both the consumer experience and the merchant experience on one phone. What you're seeing right now is the consumer receipt, okay? So it tells me all the transaction details. Lucian goes ahead and closes that, and now you're just going to see that he also got a confirmation that the receipt has been sent. Now let's go and look at transaction history. This is a real-time system, so at the top of the list, you'll see the transaction that we just did. Lucian selects that, and if necessary, he could reverse the transaction by pressing refund, or he could send me another receipt. At the top, also, if you notice the balance, Lucian always knows how much money is in his merchant account, and he can also use the Rev card to access those funds. Okay? This all looks very simple, but it's backed up by Rev's sophisticated technology system. We have a global transaction system that's running in the background that operates in 9 countries today. We also have a set of sophisticated risk management tools that allow us to onboard, score, and manage the merchants. As they show us their behavior, we can either expand or contract their limits and their capabilities. Now, providing dramatically lower cost of entry and easy access through retail distribution is job one. But we'll also add lots of other services. For example, he can sell ad bill services, bill payment services, and point-of-sale cash back. He'll also be able to sell RevCoin to other merchants. RevCoin will be available by the second quarter of 2011. We are currently looking for partners who, particularly banks and retailers and anyone else passionate about financial inclusion. RevCoin has the possibility of bringing millions, if not billions, of new customers into the market. If you're as excited about RevCoin as we are, come seek us out, and together we'll change the currency of commerce. Thank you.